everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell dogs in Bitget. So go ahead and open your Bitget app, then select trade, choose a spot trading pair. Just go ahead and choose dogs or USDT, then click sell. Click limit order, then choose market. Input the quantity of your dogs, or you can set the amount by percentage. Then click to sell dogs. You can see it on orders. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can go to your assets to check your wallet balance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.